popular ones are as follows. I am accepting one thing to you, that when I was preparing, I was also confused about this. Not confused, just like you, that the stage where I don't know about the philosophy and studied with somebody, one teacher, and बहुत गलत पढ़ाया था उन्होंने मेरे को. In reality, ठीक है, in the very first exam when we entered, there was a question on the philosophy itself, and that question, obviously, when you have not read it in a kind of a with a understanding, so you cannot mark it correct. And that's the moment then I took a determination कि अब किसी से नहीं पढ़ूंगा. So then I did a hell lot of work on this particular section, and in fact, up to a great extent, I have studied philosophy. So then, when I entered into the teaching thing, I try to make sure that तुम गलत information मेरे से लेके नहीं जाओ. Particularly where there is कुछ factual error होते हैं, ठीक है? That I accept. We all are human. Sometimes we want to speak अकबर लेकिन बोलते बोलते हुमायूं बोल गए. ऐसा होता है क्लास में, बहुत बार ऐसा लिख दिया है. That 1785 लिखना था, लिख दिया 1885. So factual errors are there, but then factual errors are corrected. But then when it comes to the error related to the understanding, so if this is done, so it is going to be there with you lifetime, and then you will not forgive me, and you will not forgive anybody. And what if I have seen people missing the prelims exam just by 1 mark? Then just by 1 mark, and then they will be remembering that person because it leads to the another 18-month cycle of the exam. Then so 18-month बहुत होता है in terms of your energy, in terms of your mental strength, in terms of your finances, in terms of many other things in the life which you have kept on abeyance because you wanted to embark on this journey, you wanted some sort of success, so you cannot forgive. So I just request to you that if you come across any such error, which can happen, ठीक है, in any part of the preparation, ठीक है, in any subject, so rather than confronting people, ask them to correct it, ठीक है. And if they are not correcting it, so झगड़ने का कोई फायदा नहीं है, but you correct at yourself, ठीक है. So at your own end, because झगड़ने से तुम्हें solution नहीं मिलेगा. You will have to correct it to clear this exam. So be aware about it and be cautious about it. And I'm saying this thing with my own experience. I'll just tell you, I'll share one small story with you. It was 1 year exam, and I think ये question फिर वापस से एक बार repeat हो चुका है. So there was one question which was asked in the prelims paper. उस prelims paper के एक दिन पहले की बात है, ठीक है? That we were the group of friends and just like you, that कि चाय की टपरी पे हम भी मिल गए, चाय के ठेले पे discussion हो रहा है. It was one of the favorite part, चाय पे चर्चा. So then somebody was so bumptious about his information, ठीक है? He was so bumptious about that कि he is very right. And then he happened to ask one question to us, that tell us who is the custodian of the constitution. In one word, we all said that majority of us, we all said that Supreme Court of India. Then he said that you guys, you don't read the book properly. Then that you people, that's why the fault is there, that you create a fault in the exam and then you are not good at human errors. Then that you often create many human errors. He went on. Then बहुत सारे words बोले, and then he was deliberately carrying the Lakshmikant book. ठीक है? And then he came to the page where the oath of the president was written. So in the oath of the president, it is written, कभी खोल के देखना Lakshmikant, it was written guardian of the constitution. ठीक है? So in the oath itself, it was written. Then he said that when you read the oath of the president, he is the custodian of the constitution. We all were like that he has the proof. ठीक है? He has the proof. And then after, next day, I don't know that, and we actually never understood that this question came in the exam. Exact question. Custodian of the constitution. Now we all wrote exam, we were all under impression that it is right. Then that whatever we heard, and option may president of India was also there. Then controversy started to get created on this question, and this was believed to be the easiest question in the paper, but then in market itself people created controversies, and every institute is giving different kind of explanation regarding it. Then हमें भी था कि explanation, we were concerned कि हमने क्या mark किया है. Then we happened to ask it to one of the sitting judge of the Supreme Court, and his name was Markandeya Katju. ठीक है? So one of that friend, ठीक है, he was so that fussy about it that he tweeted it to Markandeya Katju on Twitter. Then he was very active. Markandeya Katju was very active on Twitter, and he used to reply everything. When this question was posted, he did not reply it for 1 week. Then we were like that, why he's not replying? Then he must reply. when we pestered him from 3-4 ends, 4-5 people, and many other people must have posted. So then he said that though I'm saying that it is the Supreme Court of India, but President bhi answer ho sakta hai. Sitting judge of the Supreme Court. And you know, out of, we were 11 friends on that day. ठीक है, 11 friends on that day, क्योंकि लास्ट डे था, कुछ इधर उधर का डिस्कशन था. 3 people were just sitting on the cut off marks. ठीक है, कहीं भी हो सकते थे. And out of these 3 people, when the results came, they did not clear. Their marks were exactly 1 mark less than that. And the answer which UPSC gave, Supreme Court of India. So whatever is your first hunch, believe, first hunch हमेशा correct होता है. ठीक है, बहुत रेयर बात होती है कि your first hunch is wrong. Then, and there would be people in this market, UPSC market, who try to smart you. ठीक है, and they will try to bring many such things before you कि देखो तुम तो बहुत गलत कर रहे हो, तुम्हारा confidence down करने का. They will try to pull your leg. Don't believe in them. If they are really concerned about you, you can just get it from their walking and talking itself. Then if somebody is really your friend, so they will not try to pull down your legs. Then they will rather support you in many of the stuffs. So be careful in this regard. And remember that in exam, तुमने देखा होगा, I hope you have seen that your first hunch is always correct. And many times what you do, कि जो पहले नजर आता है उसको बदल के कुछ और कर देते हो, because you think कि इतना simple तो आंसर हो ही नहीं सकता है. Has it happened? That it has happened, that you seem that itna simple answer ho hi nahi sakta hai, and you have changed it to the another thing. So don't do that mistake. And there are few things which are asked in a very simple manner. And moreover, Supreme Court is the custodian of the Constitution. In fact, why everybody said it in one voice, that Supreme Court is the custodian of the Constitution, because every now and then in newspaper this comes that Supreme Court is the custodian of the Constitution. कहीं पे भी हर हफ्ते में अगर जो न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ रहे हो तो 5 दिन तुम्हें पढ़ने को मिलेगा that Supreme Court is the custodian of the Constitution. ठीक है, that in any such page, any such place. So then if this is the normal fact in the society, so don't put so much of mind into it and be cautious on this end. ठीक है, सो एक नंबर से बहुत कुछ हिल जाता है. ठीक है, सो लोगों का 18 महीने का साइकिल फिर वापस से रिपीट होता है. एंड देन ऑब्वियसली आई डोंट नो दैट विथ ऑल फाइनेंशियल बैकग्राउंड्स वी आर, देन दैट यहाँ पे तो लगता है कि वी हैव गिवन 1,80,000 रुपीज, हेल लॉट ऑफ अमाउंट, एंड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ आई कैन से ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दैट कि तुम सब लोग बहुत रिच क्लास के हो. बट आई नो दैट देयर आर डिफिकल्टीज फॉर मेनी ऑफ अस, देन दैट 1,80,000 इज नॉट कलेक्टेड easily. So it is not collected easily, and then you need to be very careful and you need to be very devoted in this exam. This demands a very much dedication and devotion from your side. Otherwise, ये जो year बर्बाद होंगे ना, सिर्फ 1,80,000 नहीं है. On daily, that on monthly basis, how much money you are spending in Old Rajendra Nagar? You calculate, and the rooms घर के bathroom के बराबर है. That's a reality. That yeah, it's even smaller than that. And how much they are charging? 15,000, 18,000, 20,000. बहुत पैसे बना रहे हैं दिल्ली वाले. ठीक है, जहन्नुम में जाएंगे. थोड़ी तो रहम करते. मेरा तो सच बता रहा हूँ, इसीलिए शायद मेरा सिलेक्शन रुक गया होगा. मैं तो सोचता था कि पहले होगा ना तो इनको देखूंगा, सबके रेट डलवाऊंगा. चलो, so let's come to the next